Hey drivers, this is Samantha here at Clark Freight Lines coming to you with just another message. In 2019, there were 762 fatal crashes in work zones, resulting in 842 fatalities. Of those fatal crashes, more than 30% involved large trucks. Driving in a work zone magnifies the importance of using your defensive driving skills and following safe driving practices. Don't barrel through work zones. Avoid distractions. Your undivided attention should be on the road ahead. Watch for and obey road crew flaggers. Road crew flaggers have the same authority as a regulatory sign. You could be cited for disobeying their instructions. Watch for workers on or near the road. Workers may be entering or crossing traffic lanes, often at the speed slower than the flow of traffic. Expect the unexpected. Speed limits may be reduced, traffic lanes may be changed, and crews may be working near the road. Be patient. Slow down and pay attention to your surroundings. Plan ahead. Keep up with the latest road conditions. Many states maintain websites that keep drivers up to date with the current road conditions. Schedule enough time to make your trip, or, if possible, take an alternate route. Those are just a few quick tips on how to navigate safely during the road construction season. That's all I have for now. Catch you later. Watch for and obey road crew flaggers. Road crew, and let's face it, watch for and obey road crew flaggers. 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 Wait for this truck to pass by. Blah, blah, blah. Watch for and obey road crew flaggers. Road crew flaggers are the same